welcome to my channel English with Wills, and welcome to another video. I hope all of you will be doing great, and if you have not subscribed to my channel so far, so do it right now. You're going to get a lot of good stuff and you're going to improve your English for sure. So yes, today we are going to talk about the structure be about to, where we use the structure be about to, what are the basic usages of be about to, what are the situations where we have to use this be about to. So let's discuss about be about to in detail.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today we are going to discuss about to or be about to. Be means is, am, are, was, were. So let's get started. So first of all, the usage, we use it to talk about some actions which will take place very near in future. That means something which is going to happen quite near in future. The Urdu identifications of be about to are wala hu, wali hu, wale hain, etc. Now let's talk about the affirmative structure of be about to. Subject, helping verb is, am, are, about to, first form of the verb and object. For example, the train is about to leave. That means train जाने वाली है. It was about to rain yesterday. बारिश होने वाली थी. कल बारिश होने वाली थी. He was about to tell me the secret by the time you arrived there. वो मुझे secret बताने ही वाला था कि आप वहाँ आ गए. So the negative structure is something like subject, helping verb, not, about to, first form of the verb and object. For example, he is not about to accept his mistake very easily. You are not about to perform today. That means you are not performing today. She is not about to arrive. That means she will not arrive now, very soon in the future. Now let's talk about the interrogative structure. In the interrogative structure, we use helping verb in the beginning. Is, am, are, was, were. Subject, about to, first form of the verb and object and question mark. For example, are you about to resign? Was he about to kill you? Were they about to fall down? I hope you understand this structure about to. The usage of about to is very easy that everyone can understand after this video. When you talk about some action which is just going to take place in future, in near future, you can use about to. You can also use going to. I hope you understand. Thank you very much.